Okay, we're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts in 29 Palms, California. And we're here to show off this 1968 Plymouth Barracuda that we were putting up for sale. Now, I know what a lot of people are thinking. This is the Pontiac guy. So why is he messing around with this thing? Well, honestly, this is a super cool car, and I'm a car guy. I'm not just a Pontiac guy. And when we were picking up a 1965 Pontiac Grand Prix, they also had this Barracuda. And honestly, the Barracuda was in a hell of a lot better condition. And I mean, it's pretty much a rust-free car. I mean, there is one little spot, and I'll show you that. We're gonna walk around this car, and then we'll go ahead and get into detail. But this thing's clean. I mean, it really is in amazing condition. If you're looking for a project car, I mean, this is what we saw in California back in the 80s. I mean, I haven't seen a car this clean in years. Now, this came out of a backyard in Los Angeles, so you know it's just been in good shape. And they always said you could hear this car coming from a mile away. It's got headers. It's got a 355 posi in it, 318. It's got a Holley intake, AFB carburetor. I think what else I saw under the hood. MT valve covers, I believe. Anyway, no, Holley valve covers. Anyway, let's get into details. So, original black California plates, and we do have an original title in our name, original California clean title, and that'll make it a lot easier to register. The gentleman who owned the car passed away. We bought this from his daughter. But you can see how clean this car is. I mean, there is no rust on that fender, nothing. We put brand new tires on it, 215 60/14s, so those are cool. And you can see this side, the body's just straight as can be. Let's look inside here. It had a steering wheel wrap on it, and when we pulled the steering wheel wrap off, we were gonna buy another one for it, and then we realized the steering wheel was super nice, which is unusual. Our Pontiacs always have bad steering wheels. But the seats, the upholstery, super nice. It had seat covers. We pulled the seat covers off, only to find that the seats were super nice. The headliner is out, and that's me. I pulled the headliner out because it was fallen down and a mess. The padded dash is shrunk up. That's going to need to be replaced. The console's in great shape. It's got full factory gauges. I don't know if that's something that's odd on these cars. I know if it was a Pontiac, that'd be kind of a rare thing. 48,453 miles on it. It says carpets are super nice. I assume they've been replaced at one time. Okay, so looking back around, you can see the package tray is all super nice in it. No rust. It's missing that molding. I found a receipt for the molding in the car. So he found the molding, but the molding was not with the car. So even though the old guy found it, who knows where it went. You can see again, original black California plates. It's been sitting since June of '05. So now this quarter panel on this side, though not rusty, it's got a dent right there, and it's a slightly different color paint, so I'm thinking it's got some filler or body work there. Everything is really super nice. The only rust I found on this car is this little spot right there. The frame is excellent, the floors are perfect. We went ahead and we have it up in the air. I've got stills on our website. The trunk is amazing. Everything looks great on it. So there you go, 1968 Plymouth Barracuda for sale at Frank's Pontiac Parts, frankspontiacparts.com, 29 Palms, California. Thanks for looking.